Hi, this is Brandon from Tate Talk Tech, back here again with the second episode in my Tech Bytes series. Today I want to cover managing virtual desktops in Windows 10. This is going to be similar to workspaces in Linux. So let's go ahead and jump right into it. You can always go down here to the Task View button. It'll actually bring up your virtual desktops here at the top. It'll bring up the applications on the current desktop here. In order to move these desktops around, you can go ahead and come down, left click, come down here to move to desktop 2, or if you want to move to a new desktop. You could also snap it left, snap it right, which is to move it either to the left side of the screen or right side of the screen within this desktop. You can also show this window on all desktops, show windows from this app on all desktops. Now, kind of moving into the keyboard options, you can go ahead and actually create new. Actually, let's go ahead and start with the actually bringing up the task view. You can hit Windows key tab, and that'll bring that up again. Now, you could also do Control Windows key D, which will create a new desktop. To go ahead and navigate through your desktops, you can hit Control Windows key left and right, and you can see right there we've got the three different desktops. Now, if you want to go ahead and move something over to another desktop, you can hit the Windows key tab to bring up the task view. Let's go ahead and move this Microsoft Store over to desktop 2, and we'll move the File Explorer over to desktop 3. Now we can see that those are gone from this one, but they are showing up in desktops 2 and desktops 3. Now, there is going to be one additional shortcut that I want to go ahead and share with you, and that's going to be Alt-Tab. That will bring up all of the applications within each desktop. So thank you very much for listening to this or watching this episode of Tech Bytes. Subscribe if you like the content. Give it a thumbs up if you like it. Give it a thumbs down if you don't. Go ahead and leave a comment if you have any questions or any feedback. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next one.